Welcome back, viewers. Hello, Chef Kevin.
Well, hello, Chef David.
All right, always good to be in the Deluxe. We got to show off our
Yeah.
Deluxe AI Chef Kitchen with a new recipe. And today's recipe is something actually delicious in real life. This is an easy one. Banana splits. Who doesn't like a good banana split?
Yeah, absolutely. And that sounds easy. So is your recipe going to be easy to follow?
This is a pretty easy one, and it's a pretty funny one. There's a weird issue I'm having with Nano Banana. Nano Banana is the new image creation graphics thing with Gemini. It's getting a
Right.
lot of attention because it could do really cool things. Like I could give it a picture of us and say put us somewhere else, and it would actually still look like us. It wouldn't just create something new like AI images do. But it struggles with one thing, and I'm hoping they'll fix this. You won't need this tip for long, but it really struggles with one thing, which is creating a 16 by 9 image. Trying to use it for
Oh,
thumbnails, and it keeps giving me square images no matter how much I beg. So I found a hack, a trick to get around it. Let's go to our monitor here. Okay, so just to show you what I'm dealing with here, I couldn't have made it more clear. Draw a YouTube thumbnail for the AI Chef Show with David and Kevin. Please make it 16 by 9. If it's not 16 by 9, I won't be able to use it, and I will be sad. I mean,
I love that you're playing on the emotions of AI. So way to go.
right? Because it really tries. That's one thing it really tries to do is make me happy. So here it is, and you can see it's square. And
Yes.
I can argue with it. I can say that's not square. I can say try again. I can go on and on and on. It's never going to give me what I want. So the trick is I went to it. Let me zoom in so I could show you the. Okay. Please create. Close that. Close that. Please create two identical images stacked on top of each other, one filling the first half and the other filling the lower half, and make it a YouTube thumbnail for us. So here's what it gave us. The zooming is a problem, Maldo. Okay.
Okay.
So now it gave us, it's not exactly 16 by 9, it's more like 16 by 8, but I could work with this. I could put this in Canva or something. I can crop out the top half and the bottom. You're blocking, but the top half and the bottom half are identical.
Right.
But since it wouldn't give me a landscape, I said, okay, give me two images, one on top of the other. And the result is I have my landscape view. So I just crop out either one of them because they're identical. It's close enough. Now I have my and by the way, it did a pretty good job. It did. I should have given it pictures of us and said use
Well, I
actually.
was going to say we've gotten, at least from my perspective, whichever one I am, I look more handsome than I do in real life, unfortunately. So. But
So
that's incredibly I love that because that's incredibly creative because I've struggled with that as well. And quite frankly, I've just given up after giving it like prompts and like getting it to do sizing. I mean, all the tools, it's not only Gemini, but every tool, whatever the default sizing is, to try to get it to do something different. So I love this. I love this tip, Chef David.
it actually worked. Instead of forcing it to do what it doesn't want to do, I just kind of worked. If you're going to give me a square, give me a square, but give me what I need within that square.
No, that's excellent. And
Yeah,
this
and
is
for once,
it is like a banana split because you're
right.
splitting it.
That's one of
Way
my
to
favorite
go
things.
with the
For
naming.
once, usually our puns are a little bit of a stretch, but this time, actually, I'm going to pop it up here. Banana split. It's Nano Banana, and we split it. Oh, I'm going to remember what this tip is actually about.
Fantastic.
All right.
Thanks,
Thank you,
David.
Chef Kevin, and thanks everyone for watching.